If your business is selling physical products, then you need to maintain your inventory. Let's have a look how we can access inventory in KashFlow. First of all, we need to activate it by going to Settings. Under Configuration Settings, go ahead to Stock Options. So here we need to first enable stock features. And so we can also have enable wholesale sell pricing if we are dealing with wholesale. And if you're editing the products, let me know whenever or not the sale process should be declared in with EU. So far I would like to just to look into the inventory system. Save settings. So after enabling the settings, we can now go into sales codes and add inventory product. In inventory product, go into the sales of goods. Now here in this section, you can add additional products to sell and also to purchase. Let's click on Add Product. The next code in line is 003. And I'll be using example from our Happy Celebrations UK. So here we have Wedding Essentials. Let's add Wedding Essentials. We will leave sales of goods under this default. So when we sell it, it will go into sales of goods, nominal code. We want to pre-fill information and description on sale of the product. So here we have £100 per product with VAT exclusive, so we will add VAT on top. And we can put wedding must have essentials. Ready to wear for and to celebrate. Now, manage stock levels is when we want to ensure we don't sell more than we have. We have already 10 items and we want to make sure we get alerted if we get less than one. We want to make sure that we actually track this item in our sales invoice so we don't sell something we don't have. Increment stock levels, it means that we're linking our purchase invoice and our product. I will use materials purchased and then for the system to create a code for me. Create a product. So now I've created the product. Let's go ahead into the sales invoices and see if we can select this item. Let's create an invoice. And just to check if the item has been created. So as you can see, we now have additional items available. And also, they're different colored. Different colors linked to the stock levels. Let's go ahead and go to purchases. Let's see if we can actually purchase this item for our inventory. Click on purchase. Let's have a look at the materials purchased category and you can see wedding must essentials already selected. So for us to create a purchase invoice for inventory, all we need to do is to complete information about supplier, issue date, and then select the product we're going to purchase, which is now linked to the sales invoices. So we can select it in the future for sales invoices and click Save to create new stock levels for this item. Let's check and go ahead and create this by example. So here in this example, let's say that I want to buy 10 items of wedding essentials. They cost 45. And I want to purchase 10 of those items. Let's just do it for as example and create Save. Now if we want to sell invoices, we quickly select our wedding essentials and click Save to sell it. If you need a packing slip, you can also create a packing slip for your customer to put it within your packaging. If you need to print the following invoice, you can also directly print the invoice through KashFlow or email the invoice directly to customer.